guys, welcome to my channel. Jessica here. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a couple easy DIY home decor projects that I made for my home.
So my first project is giving a little makeover to this antique wooden picture frame that I purchased at a thrift store for $15. I think this frame is super beautiful, but unfortunately it does have some damage. Some of the edges of the detailing are chipped off, and it is super dirty and dusty and is desperate need of a good cleaning. So I used a damp rag along with an old toothbrush to get into the little cracks and crevices of the delicate detailing. It is amazing how much brighter and fresher it looks just after a good cleaning. The paint color on this frame is a little dingy, so I want to brighten it up just a little bit. So I'm going to be using this metallic acrylic craft paint, and I'm just using a craft paintbrush to brush the paint on at random and to add a little bit of dimension and to brighten up the frame just a little bit. So for my next project, I'm going to be making a paper wreath from pages from an old songbook. Using scissors, I cut out a nice little leaf shape from the pages. After I have enough cut out, I grabbed some Mod Podge to apply to some of the paper and wrapped it around this foam wreath. I got this foam wreath from Dollar Tree, and I just used a little bit of hot glue to secure the pieces in place while the Mod Podge dried thoroughly. And I just continued wrapping the wreath with the pieces of paper until it was completely covered. So next I got the leaves I had cut out, and I applied a little bit of dab of glue to the middle of it and then folded the leaf together. I did this to add a little bit of dimension to the leaf and to make it look a little more lifelike. So after I had lots of leaves done, I started hot gluing them to the wreath, and I just continued around in a circle until I had the entire wreath covered with leaves. So this was a super easy and inexpensive wreath to make, and I love the final results. So for my last project, I grabbed this walnut wood board that we had on hand. Using some large stencils, I traced letters onto the board using a pencil. And now I'm using black craft paint to fill in the letters. So my handwriting's not the best, so I love getting to use stencils whenever I have the chance. And to finish this off, I nailed a claw hook on the back of the board, and it is complete and ready to be hung on the wall. So I hung the gold picture frame above my couch in my living room, and I put the paper wreath inside of the picture frame. I love the look of the wreath inside the picture frame, and I love the songbook pages of the wreath, and I think it goes great in my living room with my piano. And here is the cottage sign. I love the look of it, and I think it turned out great. I plan on hanging this in my kitchen, although I haven't quite got to that yet. I have a couple other things I need to finish in the kitchen first before I can put it up on the wall.
So thank you so much for watching this video. If you are not already a subscriber, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below, and we will see you guys in the next video.